Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is your girl China Sam. You're welcome to my channel once again. Please, thank you to you for your support, for sharing my videos, for viewing it, and for liking my video, and also staying tuned, all right, to support this particular channel, which is going in the whole diaspora now. All right, yeah, all right. Yes, and if you are a new subscriber in this channel, you're also welcome. All right, I will say hello, welcome to this channel, so that you start getting excited with new things and new educative things that I will share on this very channel, which is Nazom's Diary. All right, yes. Okay, today I have a topic that I've seen so many people talk about it. I've seen a lot of people make some videos as well concerning this topic, and I'm not coming to make an overemphasis in an already emphasized matter issue. It's just that every other person have a say. I think I have a say because I am from Igbo. I am from Igbo tribe. So if anything is about my tribe, I think as well I am in a good position to know, meaning that I must have had experiences, even as I have had experiences, and I have a lot of things that I will say, and I will beat my chest that I know about it. Yes, of course. So that is what prompts me to today's video. Yeah, so we're going to talk about my topic today will be like, or let me say rather, what we're going to talk about, what this video is all about is that Igbo men are nice. But you see, after this short break, we're going to talk about this gist. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, today's topic we talk about Igbo men are nice, but yes, so yeah, without running around the bush, like I will say it, without going forth and back and all that, let's talk about this wonderful topic today. And if you're watching to my channel, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. All right, we are here to give you a lot of things that will give you room. And so many people out there who might be thinking, oh, I don't know much about this tribe. Probably maybe you fell in love with an Igbo guy and you are like, I don't really know if it will work out, but I love this guy, he's so nice and all that. So I think this video is for you. And some other things that people might be telling you, you're not really sure about it and all that, and you feel like, should you go on with this, and should you think this is okay for you as a woman and all that. So I think this video is for you, to give you a kind of clue, a clue to know if you are trying to make the right decision and all that. Right? Yes. Disclaimer: these are not peculiar to every Igbo guy. Yes, these are not peculiar to every Igbo guy, and everybody has their experiences. Like, experiences people have differs. All right, so don't think that this video is a kind of, this is how it is. No, my dear viewer, this video is a kind of a way to, it might be for some people, it might not be for some people, so it's a kind of opinion. All right, so it's not a standing point, it's not like that. Okay, so don't say this video is not for you or this video is for you, but just watch and enjoy it. It might be likely be your experience, it might likely not be your experience, it might be your opinion, it might not really be your opinion. So it's not a kind of general stuff, but it's just about kind of things I've been able to map that from based on experiences so far. Okay, so if you're really interested in this video, I believe you have to sit back like this and watch and listen as well. So I scheduled it in points by points. Like, I have to be plain with you. All that I will be saying today is not even enough to describe it, but I believe by what I'm trying to prove, that at least few of them might actually enter into all the different things that I might have added to this video or I might not have added another. So please sit back and be watching me. But before we continue, please let me dip my water. It has actually been a long day. Let me enjoy myself small. And I actually acknowledge you to do the same. Okay, Igbo men are nice. Igbo is a tribe from the southeast part of Nigeria. There are people being known, for they are everywhere. Anywhere you see an Igbo guy or an Igbo woman, no, there is something wrong in that place. So if you come and see Igbo, see this person is an Igbo man, no, there is something there, something the no man, even a man, because Igbo people are generally everywhere. Yes, but the southeast part of the country, that is where the Igbo tribes are. All right, so I would say Igbo men are nice, but Igbo men love money more than their wife. Yes, this is not like a kind of thing that will actually hinder somebody from loving someone. No, they love you even before they want to marry you. They will love you. They want to share their life with you, do life with you, and deep down you know that they love you. You know that they love you. Like they can literally do anything for you for the sake of the love that you both share. But money comes first. Actually, they love that money. They need it to be flowing, dollars, pounds, different currencies, because they believe deep down in their heart that this is money, and that's the reason why they are working hard, that this money will be used to take care of you as their wife and also the children that you are going to give birth to, that your children you will have with him, that so that they will be able to have a sustainable lifestyle. So that is what is in their mind. They will love you, but money is what they love first, after God. There are some of them, yes, who are Christian. After God, what they love is money, not you. Not you direct. They love that money. They want that ego to be coming. Yes. They want that money. After that money, now comes you. If they actually loves you for real. So that is it. So point number 2. My point, Father, let me not put it to number 1, number 2. Let me just be saying it as it is, as I've actually noted them down. To tell you. Yes. Igbo men are nice. But they feel like a god to their wife. Obelechi. You know how you say Obelechi, like little god. The Almighty God. Yes, Almighty God is the only God. But what they call idol, Igbo men want you to see them as a mini god in your life. Yes, that is why a typical Igbo man will want you to give him all the respect you know, give him all the acceptance that will make his heart to be because if he finds out somehow this is your thing, not kokodikwa fake, not koka he just mana wine and no one can na wine before you know it, he has started thinking, oh God, he will not even give you that attention he used to give you before. You start withdrawing. It's like this one will not look at this one, look at this one. Okay, you want more of time on a marriage. Before you know it, the Igbo man is already go network on up. Like your network you're calling is not available. Because he wants to feel like a mini god. What's really catchy? Give away a catchy so that whenever you see him, you say, this is my husband. If not for this, my husband. If not for this, my husband. For candy. Igbo men are nice, but they love those things. They want you to be giving them all the accolades. Everything you do, say, hey, my husband did this. Everything you do, say, my husband did. If you are doing like that, they will be dashing you all their money. In fact, they'll be like, there's no other place I can get this kind of thing. At first, my wife will name all these things. My wife is giving me all these kind of praises. What am I doing elsewhere? So after running everywhere, they run. For those that, oh my God, they will still want to come back and say, this is my family. Because that woman is treating them like God. So watch it out and know if this thing is somehow related to you. You gotta go, if this thing is. So most of us who most people, not us, because I'm an Igbo girl, you know. So most people who are not an Igbo girl, like from Edo, from other countries, other tribes in Nigeria, but they are not originally from the Igbo land, you know. So they might not really know these things, but actually love the guy. So people fell in love. Love. You can find love in one of the, in fact, even the least expected places. That is where love carry people to, and that's where destiny also lead people to. Yes, because I've seen people who are not from Igbo, but they married and they're living happily with their spouses who are Igbo in tribe. So it can happen to anybody. It can happen to you today. It can happen to you next. It can happen to somebody those kind of stuff and all that. So this video, I think you know this point clearly, and they want that woman to treat them as God. Now, even if they do something wrong, that woman will find a place and say, even this is wrong, but because he's seeing that man as a God, he will sweep it under the carpet. That is Igbo man for you. Igbo men are nice, but they love good food. Like if you are trying to marry an Igbo man and you don't know how to cook good food. When I mean good food, all his native food and soup, like onubu soup, which is known as bitter leaf soup, and which are oha soup, and also banga stew, what they call banga stew. They call it ofaku in Igbo language. That ofaku is for the rice. If you don't know how to cook all these things, please learn how to cook them, because those things mean so much to them. Alright? So they love good food, and also good food, continental dishes and all whatnot. Even abacha too. You know how to do abacha well. Most of them love it when their wife know how to cook good food. They love good food. Igbo man love good food. Alright? Yes. Another point you have to know is Igbo men are nice. Yes. But they love to be pampered. if you case a pamper woman, do you know how they pamper children? Newborn. Hey, let it not be that these people will fall now and you break his leg, and when you grew up you cannot walk one leg. I want it to please, so don't handle my baby boy. Don't that is how Igbo men want you to be carrying them as their wife or their girlfriend, so that you be pampering them. Any small to start dropping their head. Oh, K1, start praising them. Hey, me dollars, me nego, Emeka, K1, Chinedu, K1. Hell, in his heart, he'll be happy. He'll be happy that you're pampering him. You don't know. So you know it today. They are nice, but you need to be pampering them like baby, you know. I need to say, hey, baby, you are so precious, you know. And he also give them the room to be some of them who yes, women are nice, but they love pamper them like an egg, you know. Pamper them like an egg. You see them, the ego in them will start, you know, boasting. Say, my wife this, my wife that. Did you see my wife? That's my wife. This and that. You don't know you have actually touched something that is actually moving them, you know. Yeah. Some people will not tell you this. Some people will do it. I'm not saying you generally, because this point I'm saying I'm not being personal about it. I'm not saying it's me. I'm not saying it's you. I'm not saying it's anybody. But some will not tell you. They will hide it, and they after pampering the man €1,000. After the man comes, the man will just be doing all stuff things for them, and you'll be like, your husband is doing this, all these things for you. Hey, are you serious? But they cannot tell you that they are the one pampering the man. When the man comes, the love is now shaking the man, like I see the man is going here where the man doesn't know what to do again. But some, although it's applicable to some, I'm not saying, because I know that some people might be doing that, you know, because I know that in the atom of every story there is a truth in it. Like this is not for everybody. All right. Hey, another opinion of mine, another thing I want to say also is that Igbo men are nice, but they love to make you to feel impressed. Igbo men want to make you to feel impressed. They want to make you their girl, their wife, their woman, the woman in their life to be impressed. Igbo men are like that, yes. They want to make you to feel impressed. That's why you see a guy when he's trying to shake you, when he's trying to come closer to you, to get to know you. Before you know it, he has started buying things for you. He starts giving you gifts, you know. Some may not collect, some may collect, you know, but that is what their mindset is giving them. Like they feel, they deem it fit that I need to make this girl to be impressed, so that she can also give me a place in heart to hear, at least hear me out of what I have come to say. That is it. So Igbo men are nice, but they want to make you to feel impressed. Yes, so that you can be able to give them the attention they want. And also, people experience in their marriages these days, you know, some Igbo men with their wife, before some people, before they will talk to the wife about some certain things, they know that is somehow recorded, and somehow the woman thing. What they will do is they will first of all buy present for her, and before they will now table up their matter. They want to make you to feel impressed. That is the reason why they are doing that. To make you feel, oh, my husband loves it. And also is their way of expressing their love. That's their way of, that is where a typical Igbo man expresses his love. Most of them don't even have time to tell you I love you 20 times, I love you 100 times. They believe their money will speak for them. They believe the charisma they carry, what they have will give you that thing that will make your head to be going record, you know, so that they will give you something to make you feel impressed. So something. Is it to climb high mountain? They will climb before, yeah. Is it not about money? They will do it. So that is it. They're nice, but they want you to feel impressed. All right. Another one, which you might know, or you might not feel like it's okay, or you might not feel like you know, or you know, is that Igbo men are nice, but they are jealous lovers. Yes. Igbo men are nice, but they are jealous lovers. Jealousy. Oh, I should be Igbo man just come and say hello, beautiful, and start chatting you up. He wouldn't want you to also chat another guy up. He wouldn't want to see with another guy because he's gonna get jealous of you. He's gonna get jealous and he wouldn't want no one to do anything with you again. Maybe something serious. He might have something to do, but not something serious. So get it in your head. Women want, if it's them you want. If you accept them really, except you are not giving them a concrete reply, you are free to. But you accept them really and you want to have something serious with them. While you're with them, they will not want you to have any TikTok, any chit chats, anything to do with another fellow guy, be it Igbo guy, be it anybody guy, be it from another place, be it America. They wouldn't want you. They want you to know them, only them, not any other person. So that is what they are like. They are nice, but they are jealous lovers. Yes. And because of that, they wouldn't want to have anything with you. And when it now comes to them and they have a kind of ill feeling concerning it, or they feel or they know that something also has gone through the party or that person, they wouldn't want to have anything to do with you. But not generally, most of them. So they are mainly a kind of jealous lovers. Alright, yes. Igbo men are nice. But Igbo men love business. They love business and they love anything business. To just tell whatever they are doing with you is all about business. They checkmate and they will balance. They will check what they will get from you, alright? And they will also check the level of what you get from them. If what you get from them outweighs what they will get from you, Igbo men will be like, that's business. It's like it's not really gonna work out. So that business incline they have generally in their gene and blood, they will feel like it also translates to other things they do with every other person, be a female, be a guy. So Igbo men are nice, but they love business and anything business. That is it. So if an Igbo man is dating you, or you want to date an Igbo man, know this at the back of your mind that is about business. It's a profitable thing, and he needs a profitable thing. He doesn't do a business that doesn't have profit at the end of it. So that is it. Yes, that is it, girl. That is it. So if you're good in the business, do it. Go, girl, go do the business, and come and smashing with it. And he's gonna do good business with you. And both of you are gonna do good business. Alright? So even the men are nice, but they love business and anything business. Before you know what is happening, it's time making call. Hello? The trailer, I want to go. Okay, I'm my back. I'm going to go. Okay, it's not in on Chuba. Ungano, they bring my head out. Yes, so talking with somebody before you know what is happening, I start communicating, and before you know it, I start writing that. He's already writing the business that he's going to get from wherever the person is going. The person is going to get the business for him over there, and they start doing business transaction, paying money and all that. That is it. That is an Igbo man. That's a typical Igbo man. You're talking about how I love your birthday for the thing. How the thing will enter business, you cannot explain. How the thing will enter into writing check and all the other transactions that is coming afterwards. You cannot explain it though. You cannot. So get ready. Know that business is business. Business is everything for an Igbo man. For they love business and anything business, but they're nice people. Another point is that Igbo men are nice, but they love male children. They love male children. They prefer male children. If an Igbo man marries you and you have about all male children throughout, hey, you are going nowhere. You are there, gidiba. The man is okay. He can do things. For some people who are bad, they can do things, but to some extent, if they are originally bad, they are naturally bad. If that person, that individual is not, but that individual is naturally bad. If that individual is naturally bad, let me cut my statement very. If that individual is naturally bad as a person, but when it comes to male child, if you give him male children, plenty. Hey, like the number of male children outweighs the number of the female children. You are there, gidigba. There are some extent he cannot go because there are male children involved. So people men are nice, but they love male children. Yes. So you have to have that in mind. You don't need. They don't negotiate that one. Yes. Just thank God and pray to God that God will bless you with a male child. It's God that gives. And although I've seen many families, Igbo men, marriages that they don't have male child, but they're living happily, like more happier than those that have male children. So if you would say it's a general thing, it might not really be true. You understand? Because it's applying, individual apply. That is what I stated in my disclaimer. Individual applies depending on individual, but generally, Igbo men are after male child. Male child. If they don't have a male child, they feel like God has not done the totality of what they deserve. They are nice people, but they love male child. They love it plenty. You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. Alright guys, yes, that's the truth. Igbo men are nice, but you see typical Igbo men loves beautiful girls. Igbo men love beautiful girls. I am alright guys, sorry for that. But I'm back, okay? So what I'm saying is that this is not generally for everyone, but another point I made is that Igbo men are nice, but they love beautiful girls. Like seeing Igbo men, they derive joy in marrying beautiful girls. They derive joy in praising them. Even if they married you and you're not that beautiful, the nice ones, what they will do is that they will start pushing you. They will start putting some things in you, make it to come out, and they will, if it's makeup, they will always want you to be on makeup. They will buy new good cream for you so that when you wear them, you'll be nice, you'll be beautiful. They'll buy beautiful clothes for you and all that. Not that they don't buy it for those that are beautiful, but they will find a way to make you more beautiful so that when they come out with their fellow men, they'll be just saying, my wife is so beautiful, and now they would like to boast. They would like to boast about their wife appearances. So that is what a typical Igbo man is like. Alright, so they love beautiful girls. They love them beautiful. They love beautiful girls. So forget all those things. They love beautiful girls. Okay, so that is the thing to know. And another one is that Igbo men are nice, but they are hardworking. They can literally know that some Igbo men or some fathers, they will want their children to be hardworking even from tender age. They'll be going to school as well, but they have involved them in so many things that will make their brain to be aware of what they're about to see, that they are about to meet the world, to be hardworking. So a typical Igbo man loves to be hardworking, and they make it on time. Most of them make it on time based on they already know what they want. They already know the kind of business they will do, and they will start making money. Alright, so that is one thing about Igbo men. They are hardworking. The money they are making, that's why most of them are just not that the way they spend their money, they used to be accurate. They know what they are doing. So if they are winning you as a girl and they're spending that money to you, they know what they're about to get. They see it as a price, so they are paying the price to get you, so that you are not going, so that you be welcome, because they are actually hardworking. So they are not lazy. Before you see an Igbo man that is lazy, you know that there might be something wrong. Igbo men are very, very, very hardworking. They make sure that the economy is revolving in this country. So Igbo men are nice, but they're very hardworking. You might think it's one, but not farmers. Some are farmers. You have not seen rich farmers before. You will see them in Igbo men. Some poultry farmers, some fish farmers, some many things. People who have actually gone viral, gone the whole diaspora. That have gone to the whole diaspora and making money and coming back. Igbo men are very hardworking. And most of them are doing it legitimately. Forget about some people who are doing it illegally. It's in every tribe, it's in every place. But Igbo men, a typical Igbo man, wants to make it legitimately. And they are hardworking and they want to make it legitimately. Except those, because it's an exception. You can also find it in every place. They're always bad and good in every place. So that is it for Igbo men. And you can agree with me that Igbo men are nice birds. With these few points of mine, like somebody who is doing a debate in primary school, I believe you agree with me. Igbo men are nice. So in case you have one in your life, in case you have scrutinized that person and you see that this is actually good, will you share this video and will you also agree with me in some of the things? Let me know what you have to say in the comment section, because it's not an automatic. There's room, there's no room for you to say your mind and also know how you were encouraging this particular channel. This is your girl, Nazoma. Keep on tuning into my channel, keep on loving my channel, keep on giving all the loves, all the loves, and I love you guys, all of you, and I know that you that is watching this video is making sense to you. So subscribe to my channel and don't restrict yourself. You are highly welcome on this wonderful and beautiful channel. I want to know your mind too, and I want to know how you feel about watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it so that other people who need it will be able to like it. And once after watching it, please, subscribing is free. No money is being collected from you. Just subscribe to this channel so you can grow this channel. And I believe this channel is still growing. We are getting there. We will get there soon. And I love you as always. This is Nazom's Dad. I love you. At this very point, I have to say bye-bye.